Okanaka kumilimo jena misindwa. I think we need a special time which any list. Bulisi hobona pali yombo yoyo with their interests. How I wish better ni ku camera hun but declaring their interest in the entire recruitment process yana misindwa. Bandu kene ba kene rules ne khurira kumulu. Fa go bola bana misindwa khuri. Fact ne sene cancer. Uwasembile kwa kanile order paper kurosile kubanganya kutse fa kuchifunanga neli. That is one. In fact wakareba ni cancer wa very mu cancer una khulu. Isi recruitment isi yabako ni mu cancer because yabani order paper. So ale byo kwale khere bali kupeli yombo ku masika abali ku imenywe ku bati comment ate yo binero sele bese bina kamata. Ibyo binero sele ni fuki binimo kinero sele kubanganya kitsa mumoni. One. Tasigale tina ho asatu mumwenda. Government ikindi yokholerien yits araiba akhwesa isi nobunyala unali kutinga abantu kumukamba. It is impossible. 2 silingi tsabere tsikobolayo 2021 22 tsakobolayo million lusanvu 2022 2023 wakobose 1.4 billion omwene wandi resori yakhora kamaye bakuplace minga akiyoweswa ngaba khuru service 2023 24 silingi tsakobola yetsindi 2024 2025 omwene wabanu wandikira story last year barusa advert ba shortlistinga bandu bakhola basa interviews kama yombo kabawo advert kin banyebo cancel pa holiyom abali kubola sai kulanga kumasika kulesereza kumasika ni kubolera abantu babawa speaker walanga emergency council weswa gabalanga emergency council order ya invitation inyo aba councillors yala ko district chairman yala ko ba MPs yala ko all stakeholders. The council open here buli mundu. Kwa sa emergency council nobody came up. Executive yana loko ilo. Chairman is abo bosi buli mundu watsa kubwewe busi. Kwa kala emergency council kwa settinga guidance is never holding kubanga na kuchendela. From that time nobody has even asked what has happened from that day. So one akubolere ababantu befe there is no need for alarm. Fact police ubona kapali yombo wani yakile nabi. Arobyese kabayim. By the way barusa kubana silingi babene mu district ina efe abasubiza promotions alina sai bali start si kunyala kwa bukula bunyala kwe bana biswena kubwo mu libulafu uletsa abenga akolata but why gabo umuntu sana in fact babene bali kupusaliyo umuntu ngabasana promotion bandi kumwezi ko hayesa bakolita people will be promoted obo wa mawa obo wagira nanu bye halu byawa byesa kukane khana kukana ka khuryo kharu khawa arisai ili service muna hariya hota so we umwene nga hokenda ni kukoyo kubi ifule kubarula kuya district we should be planning for transition nga nomna district sitting babandu berenga harenge abetsa balayire ne batandikira abwena kurewe commission kiminimo kitse munana mumoni silingi tseso muna khabola ari yamatayina bolina ulire bena babola bari 1 billion sai 2 billion kuma kama 3 billion bana misindo sebeleko sai mu mundu ali bize mu nimiro fakhalu khawa abantu bali khotsa okhwako khe khubola weswa na khusubizira I've given you 2 weeks sai sino ngali yomba lisiriyo ineza ni list iyo buli mundu isobona pali yomba with their interests bani balebe babwe basale babwe bananu babwe ari in fact amu bona kisira don't mingle our staffs mu bindu byenywe de abantu babe nyonywe in fact no matsa kendi ba shabamba bubi buli mundu kharambe kumulimo kwe chakholoko LC wano kholoko LC tu kholoko na yomuramba kholoko ewe ese chairman sebulizi khengenda chairman atse khubayenga moja bamulange mabayi.